Hello guys, if you are 5 or 3 series BMW owner, you must be wondering where is brake fluid tank location. In this video I will show you. It is located under this air filter, and now I will show you how to remove it. Twist this bolt to the left side by 45 degrees. Now do the same with these two bolts. Now remove this plastic piece just like I did in the video. And one more bolt left to unscrew. Make sure to remove this rubber piece and simply pull the plastic cover out. So there we go. This is the brake fluid tank. This is the sensor, obviously. As we can see, it's filled to the top. Make sure to use 4-dot oil, just like it's written down there. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to subscribe and like this. Thank you.